What's the meaning of city slicker? City slicker. City slicker.
City slicker. City slicker. City slicker is a term used to describe a person who is from the city or has urban habits and lifestyle. It is often used in a derogatory manner to suggest that the person is naive or out of touch with rural life. The term gained popularity in the early 20th century when many people moved from rural areas to cities in search of work. Today, it is mostly used in a joking or light-hearted manner, but can still carry negative connotations depending on the context and tone of the speaker.